Hi folks, this is Mike with TradeStalker.com. Video recap from today's trading around our numbers. This is this morning's open. We had an initial resistance at 28.32 half, 33 half. They opened at 32 bottom right here, 32 half, and kept on going up. They're coming down from Globex and they're starting to turn up here, and buyers are eager with them above this area. So we had this early run up and we stopped right at the major area for today at the 39 half, 40 half. They reached 39 and 3/4 and it was rejected, and we were looking at that area for an entry for a reversal, which was a really nice setup here with this rejection and a bit of a stall if you see it on a 1-minute chart. Okay, the initial target was coming back to test the low at this zone, which we got. So that was from 39 down to 33. That's 6 points. Anyways, bounced back off of this, stalled out here, nice little stall, set up another shorting opportunity. And then let's see. We were just about ready to start the trading room at this time. Again, we came down, we broke through and held under this area, and this was just kind of a choppy shorting opportunities down here till we reached this area. It was basically in no man's land. I think it was 24 3/4. Yeah, 24 3/4. Anyways, it kind of bottomed out here just before noon. Gently made our way, grinding up here. And as you can see, this was kissed and rejected, and this stalling out here before the Fed release. And a little pullback. After the Fed release, it just a little poke up above it and right down below it. And I mentioned to our group in last night's update to look for a little a move in one direction and then a trend to begin in the other direction, which is what happened here. They rejected this area here, held under it. We came down. There was a little pause here at the this support was at the 1817 zone. They went just below, and they came down here. To our major area for today on this was at 12.5, 11.5. And we had a double bottom at 13, which is 2 ticks above our major support area. So that happening in here and turning up in the last hour set the stage for this as normal. They always have been coming back. Nice bounce. Haven't closed yet. We just missed. This was my last trade, a scalp. We just missed the 32 area, 32 half, 33 half by a couple ticks and backed away right away. There was a stall. Let me show you here real quick on a 1-minute chart. Ran up here. This is a good guide here on the way up. Obeying this, and we got some distance between them. It begins to get a bit too much straight up. Now, we ran up here and we stalled out. You see this pop up sideways here. This is like the setup for what could be the start of a break, and then especially here coming down would set the stage for what earlier in the day could be a bigger move. Late in the day, not much. We're wrapping up the end of the end of what has been a very good month of December, or of January to start the year, and we come into February. So we'll see how these first 2 days of the year pan out, and then go from there. So hope you had a good trading day. If you need help with your entries, exits, and targets, etc., give me an email at mike@tradestalker.com, or come join us, be part of our group, and get our updates tonight. All right, have a good trading day tomorrow, and have a great evening.